so obsessed. Well, see for yourself. We love pencil crayons. Hairbrushes. Q-tips. Q-tips. We like cream. No. No. I have just on my arms. We like mirrors a lot. We like Sharpies. Sharpie. Like this. We like nail files. They're pretty. Barrettes. There's the blue one. There's a purple one. There's a pink one. We also like pencil sharpeners. We love mini eggs. Oh yeah. I like her hair. We have to finish quick. We like brushes. We like drawing stuff. We like fuzzy pencils. We like notes, and they hurt. But most of all together, we love toilet paper. Wait, no. But most of all, in the end,
Don't spill it.
we love sugar. Sugar. Goodbye. And that is why we are so obsessed.